A former Liberal MP has launched a $50 million lawsuit against the RCMP and Ontario Attorney General nearly a year after a judge dismissed charges that stemmed from the claim that he used his political office for personal gain. The lawsuit, launched by former Brampton East MP Raj Grewal, accuses the National Police Service along with the province's chief law officer of wrongfully alleging he misused his political office for financial benefit. Grewal, who left the federal Liberal caucus in 2018 when news of his gambling problem came into light and did not seek re-election in 2019, was charged by the RCMP in 2020 with 4 counts of breach of trust and 1 count of fraud over $5,000. As the case progressed, it was reduced to 2 breaches of trust charges. The Crown in this case alleged Grewal offered access to the Prime Minister and assistance with immigration files in exchange for large loans to cover his gambling debts. They pointed to two $200,000 loans provided to Grewal by Brampton area businessmen who attended an event during Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's 2018 India trip. The 2 remaining breach of trust charges were ultimately dismissed by Ontario's Superior Court Judge Sylvia Corthon last March. Corthon said in a court that a reasonable jury would not be able to render a guilty verdict against Grewal and that the interference required to support the theories put forward by the Crown could neither reasonably nor logically be drawn. Police court records confirm a $50 million case was launched in Grewal's name against the RCMP and Ontario Attorney General in Brampton sometime on Friday. The statement of claim, a copy which one of Grewal's lawyers, Spencer Basis, shared, alleges a lack of evidence to support the criminal charges Grewal faced. The allegations made against the RCMP and Attorney General have not been tested in court. During the criminal case, Grewal's lenders, who described themselves as friends or family and friends of his, testified that it was not unusual for family members of their community to assist one another with large loans. Grewal is seeking $25.6 million from the RCMP in damages, $1.2 million of which he is claimed jointly with damages from the Attorney General. From the AG specifically, Grewal is seeking a declaration that his charter rights were violated along with a further $24.4 million collectively compensation Grewal claims it owed due to irreparable damage to his political career, the expense of criminal proceedings and hardship securing finances for business endeavors.